Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in science, chapter 9 Air, Water, and Weather. So, as we know, we surrounds us air. Air is present everywhere and it is present even in a empty box. So it is also present in soil and water. It is in the syringes which is used to give an injection. It is in your bicycle tires also. So air is present everywhere. We surrounds with air. Now talking about composition of air. So air is not a single element. It is a mixture of many gases. Okay, now the next page. All living things need air to breathe. You breathe in air and absorb and utilize oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So this maintains the balance of both the gases in the atmosphere. Now, talking about water. So water is very important for us. So water is found in oceans, rivers, lakes, wells and ponds. All fruits and vegetables contain some water. 71% of your body weight consists of water. So water covers nearly 3/4 part of the earth and is found in 3 states. These states are solid, liquid and gas. In solid like ice, water, in liquid like water and gas, water vapors. So water is very essential for all the living things. Now rain is the main source of water. So some rainwater collects in tanks, lakes and ponds. Some rainwater flows into stream and rivers. Some rainwater goes underground. You can draw the underground water from well and hand pump. Okay, students? Now, talking about properties of water. So, as we know, water is colorless, water is tasteless, water is odorless, and water is shapeless. So, water is a very good solvent. It can dissolve a large number of substances. When a solid is dissolved in a liquid, the solid disappears. A liquid that contains a dissolved material is called a solution. So the substance that dissolves in a liquid is known as solute, and the liquid in which the solute dissolves is called a solvent. Okay, so solid like sugar, common salt, copper, sulfate, potassium permanganate, glucose powder and many more things, they all dissolve in water. They are called soluble substance. Okay, students? Talking about many substances do not dissolve in water like nails, like wood, like sand, dust, clay, wax, oil and many more things, they do not get dissolved in water. Such substances are called insoluble substance. Now, talking about the water cycle. So, the heat of the sun changes water in the sea, lakes, river, ponds and streams into the water vapor. This water vapor rises up in the sky. So, the air changes it into tiny droplets of water. These tiny drops of water cling together to form clouds. When the clouds pass through cooler air, they further get cooled. On further cooling, clouds become heavy and fall in the form of rain. This rainwater fills up the lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. As the sun shines, evaporation again occurs and takes place, so the water cycle goes on continuously. Okay, now the talking about the weather and season. So weather is the state of atmosphere at a given time and place. It changes from day to day and from month to month and season to season also. It can be changed even in a few hours. The weather can be hot or cold or sunny or cloudy. Okay, students? Now, the next page, it can be windy, rainy, humid or dry. When weather remains almost the same over a period of time, it is called a season. A season list for a few months. These are mainly three seasons in India. First is summer, second is winter, third one is rainy. So summer seasons, it is very hot season. The sun becomes unbearably hot during this season. Hot winds blow in afternoon. You like to stay indoors during summer days. People go to hill stations. Fans, cooler, AC, light, cotton clothes, cold drinks and plenty of water help to fight the heat. Now in winter season, winter is very cold season. It comes after the monsoon. Cold winds blow which make your skin dry. It snow in the mountain. You wear woolen clothes to protect yourself from the cold. Tea, coffee, nuts are favorite things during the winter season. Okay, now talking about rainy season, it comes as a relief after the summers. It brings rainfall. It is also called the monsoon season. India is dependent on the monsoon for good crops. All plants grow well in the rainy season. So when it is not raining in the monsoon, the weather becomes quite hot and sticky. So people use umbrellas or raincoats in this season. Children love to bath and play in the rain. Okay, students? I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye, children.